Garo Hills is a treasure trove of natural resources, and for the present, it is the pride and joy of its people. The undistributed flora and fauna of the hills contribute the richness of the land and to the lives of the people. For now, the Garos have access to clean air and a pristine environment, but this idyllic world is in the process of being invaded and desecrated as the Nokma of Balbigri has opened the doors of the Garo Hills to the illegal mining of rocks, which will lead to mining of other natural resources in the area. Mining of natural resources always comes at a price that people continue to pay for posterity. The inhabitants of the villages in the area have expressed concerns about the safety of the water bodies and their health. Further, there is also concern that roads in the area could be affected by the mining as rocks and gravel spill over to them. The president of the Nik Samso Achik Society, Pulbari Chibanang Unit, Mr. Abel B. Sangma, laments the grant of permission for such activities that has long-lasting adverse impact on the environment and the people residing in the area. He has categorically stated that if these activities continue unabated, the society will be compelled to take matters into their own hands to stop them from happening.